I'm Nicholas Hong, Product Specialist for Life Science Solutions at Heidolph North America. Today we'll be talking about our modular incubator accessory. The Incubator 1000 is our modular incubator accessory. The Incubator 1000 is compatible with all our 1000 series platform shakers. This means the TitraMax 1000, ReNewMax 1010, ProMax 1020, DualMax 1030, and the PolyMax 1040 are suitable for most temperature-controlled tasks. The Incubator 1000's versatility does not stop there. The Incubator 1000 comes with 3 different hood sizes. The flat hood has a height of 163 millimeters and is suitable for smaller vessels such as a 25 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask. The high hood has a height of 267 millimeters and is perfect for medium-sized vessels such as a 1000 milliliter Erlenmeyer flask. The XL has a height of 428 millimeters and is perfect for larger vessels such as a 2000 millimeter Erlenmeyer flask. In terms of specifications, the hood is constructed out of a non-fogging PETG material. This is done through our low-noise integrated blower system that evenly distributes the heat. The Incubator 1000 is our unique modular incubation system that's suitable for a wide range of platform shakers with different movements. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Nicholas Hong, Product Specialist for Life Science Solutions at Heidolph North America. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us in the information below.